Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into electronics, robotics, or just love tinkering with gadgets, then this video is for you. Today we'll explore the exciting world of Arduino, what it is, how it works, and why it's a game changer for beginners and experts alike. So stick around and let's dive right in. So, what exactly is Arduino? Simply put, Arduino is an open source electronics platform that makes hardware and software super easy to use. At its core, it's a microcontroller based board that allows you to interact with the real world, whether it's blinking an LED, building a robot, or automating your home. Sounds cool, right? Let's look at why Arduino is so popular. What makes Arduino special? Well, first, it has a simple programming environment. Arduino IDE, so you don't need to be a coding expert to get started. It's cross platform, meaning it works on Windows, macOS, and Linux. Plus, it's open source, which means thousands of people contribute, share ideas, and build amazing projects using Arduino. And the best part, it's affordable and beginner friendly. Now, let's take a quick trip back in time. Arduino was developed in 2005 by Massimo Banzi and his team in Italy. Their goal? To create an affordable and easy to use tool for students and makers. Fast forward to today, and Arduino has become the go to microcontroller platform worldwide. Let's look at some of the key milestones. 2005. The first Arduino board was born. 2006. The Arduino Decimilla launched. 2009. The Duemilanov arrived. 2010. The legendary Arduino Uno changed the game. 2012. Arduino Leonardo introduced new USB features. 2013, the powerful Arduino Duo was released. Uh, with every new board, Arduino kept improving, making innovation more accessible than ever. Alright, now let's break down an Arduino board. What's inside? Microcontroller. This is the brain of Arduino, usually an 80 mega 328p digital and analog pins used to connect sensors, LEDs, and other components. Power supply. You can power it via USB or an external source. Reset button. This restarts the board if needed. USB interface. This is how you upload code to the board. Voltage regulator. It ensures the board gets a stable power supply. With these components, Arduino can control just about anything. Now, let's move on to the software side of things. If hardware is the body, then software is the brain. The Arduino Integrated Development Environment or IDE is where you write and upload code to your board. It's simple and beginner friendly. Key features of the Arduino IDE. Simple syntax based on C GA1, built-in examples and libraries, serial monitor for debugging. Even if you're new to coding, you can start with basic commands and work your way up to advanced projects. There isn't just one Arduino board, there are many. Let's check out a few popular ones. Arduino Uno, the most famous board, perfect for beginners. Arduino Nano, a mini version of the Uno, great for compact projects. Arduino Mega, more pins, more power, ideal for complex projects. Arduino Leonardo can act as a USB keyboard or mouse. Arduino Duo, the first 32-bit Arduino, great for advanced users. Arduino LilyPad, specially designed for wearable electronics. Nanda, choosing the right Arduino board depends on your project, but the Uno is always a great starting point. So, where can you actually use Arduino? Well, the possibilities are endless. Home automation, control your lights, fans, and appliances. Robotics, build your own smart robots. IoT, Internet of Things, connect devices to the internet. Healthcare, monitor heart rates and body temperature. Smart agriculture, automate irrigation systems. Wearable tech, create interactive clothing and accessories. Environmental monitoring, track pollution, humidity, and more. Arduino is everywhere, from smart homes to space exploration. Now let's look at why people love Arduino. Why is Arduino so popular? Here's why. Open source and affordable. Anyone can use it. Easy to learn and use, perfect for beginners. Large community support, thousands of tutorials and forums. Versatile and customizable, works with sensors, motors, and more. Cross-platform compatibility, works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. With Arduino, you don't just learn, you create. But hold on, Arduino isn't perfect. Here are some limitations you should know. Limited processing power, not great for heavy tasks. Limited memory and storage, can't handle big programs. No real-time operating system, might not be ideal for some applications. But don't worry, you can overcome these limitations by integrating additional hardware or using more powerful versions like the Arduino Duo. So what's next for Arduino? Integration with AI and machine learning, expansion in IoT and smart devices, more powerful and specialized boards, advanced communication techniques. The future is bright and Arduino is evolving every day. Alright, let's wrap it up. We learned what Arduino is. We explored its history, components, and types of boards. We saw its real world applications, advantages, and limitations. And finally, we looked into the future of Arduino. Now it's your turn. Have you used Arduino before? What projects are you working on? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep building, keep innovating, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.